In this video, I'm going to show you how to add downloadable documents to your Wix website. This method is simple and takes just a few minutes. Let's get started. Log into your Wix account and open your website editor. Make sure you're in the editor view where you can see your page layout. On the left side of the editor, click the Add button. A menu will open showing all the elements you can add to your page. From the menu, click on Button. You'll see various button styles appear. Choose the style that fits your website design. In the button options, look for a button that has a download icon or search for download in the search bar. Select the button that says download or has a download arrow icon. Click on the button you just placed on your page to select it. Once selected, look at the top of the editor. You'll see a small chain icon representing the link option. Click on that chain icon. A link settings window will pop up. Click on Document as the link type. Then click Choose File to upload your document from your computer or select one you've already uploaded to Wix. Once your file is selected, click Done. Now your download button is ready. When visitors click this button, they will automatically download the document you linked. Save your changes and publish your site. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.